Under a state of emergency, the Garden State looked like the snow-covered state once again. But no big deal to Nick Petroni in flip-flops in sub-freezing temperatures on his way from North Carolina to Massachusetts with his dad.
Flip-flops are easy to wear.
Bergen County reports this is his 22nd weather event this season. That's more competition for the folks from Boston and New England traveling through.
Up to here in my yard.
What's it like driving around in this? This is another storm.
This is one more storm, yes. I'm driving home from Florida, and the further north we go, the more challenging it becomes.
I'm sick of it. I got a snowblower, thank God, so I wouldn't make it without it.
But some folks welcome more snow this late in winter. What are you hoping for?
More snow. I love the snow. I'm happy with it.
State police opened their Regional Operations and Intelligence Center ready to quarterback any emergency. And there were some, such as a jackknife tractor trailer in Hillside causing traffic to creep along I-78. The plows and salt trucks began hitting the highways Wednesday night, and as soon and as fast as the snow began falling.
Turnpike and Parkway are both doing exactly what they are supposed to do, salting and clearing the roadway. So we're very comfortable with our road departments and the work that they're doing.
A lot of salt trucks, a lot of plows, and a lot of people driving too fast.
The Seton Hall girls softball team took this video on the way to Newark Liberty Airport in their 90-minute delayed flight to Tampa. They're among the fortunate to fly with icy runways up and down the East Coast, delaying and canceling countless flights. This has been such a harsh winter in so many places in the country that it's produced some very experienced or weathered travelers who have no fears about flying in these kind of conditions.
Flying is actually very, very safe. In fact, it is more safe than actually driving here on the road. So I'm not very concerned when I fly because it is still one of the safest modes of transportation. And
millions are relying on that in this late winter storm. Michael Hill, NJTV News.